issue. Breaking updates now coming in of the big allegations that have been made by students who were appearing for the exam in the morning shift, which is at 7 a.m. They say that their biometrics and attendance process was completed, but by 11 a.m. they were asked to leave the centers. The students were in panic as the NTA issued contradictory notifications stating morning shift students will be given the full duration to write the paper. Students are now very angry and are also saying that the ministry should be held responsible. Let's go across to my colleague Kritika joining us with those details. And Kritika, what happened? Because there are multiple versions that are coming in from the students. Because of the technical glitch, it has clearly caused a lot of trouble to the students. What happened? What has the NTA said? And what happens to the students? Because they seem to be confused about what next.
Well, absolutely. There is confusion all around. On one hand, you can already see there is security here. They're letting in students for the second shift for the exam, which is now scheduled to start from 4 p.m. The entry is going on till 3 p.m. So whichever student is currently scheduled to write the second shift of examination, they are getting entry here. However, on the other hand, our parents and students who are still waiting out here, who had reached here at 7 a.m. in the morning and are now asserting, in fact, that they were asked by this very center to, in fact, leave and that this examination will be rescheduled. Right here we have the loudspeaker also right outside this examination sector in sector 64 Noida, wherein an information has come in that whichever student could not write the morning exam, NTA would be issuing a notice of rescheduling of that exam. We have one such parent also. Sir, aap bataiye aap kitne baje aaye the and what exactly had transpired here in the morning?
We came here at around 7 a.m. in the morning and everything was smooth. I left around 7:40. So her examination was about to finish in just 1 hour. I came sharp at 9:55. Examination was supposed to be over by 10 a.m. 9:50, they are not telling us anything. 10:15. बताते हैं server problem है till 11 when crowd gathered and all. What are you up to? It's been 4 hours. Okay, we are cancelling the examination.
They said that the exam is going to be cancelled. The center said this.
Center said this verbally, nothing on papers. And now what created confusion when we are reading the tweet of NTA, it clearly says that issue had been solved and, wards and, kids are they are being asked to attend and leave center only after giving the paper. Now when we came back and we asked these same people who we met in the morning, give me in return, they are not giving something in return. Verbally they are saying tomorrow and in fact, I heard rumors of them saying that, kids left at their own whims and fancies. They had flights to take, which is not true at all.
Where do you stay, sir? How far did you have to travel for this?
I have to travel those, distance is just 10 kilometers, but in the traffic it takes half an hour to 45 minutes in the peak
time. You are still nearby, so it was still easier for you. Yeah. If I can get a version from you also, आप लोग morning shift में आए थे, क्या हुआ था, क्यों exam नहीं दे पाए?
Okay. हम यहाँ पे 7 बजे आए हुए हैं. अभी 3 बज रहे हैं. हमें 8 घंटे हो गए यहाँ पे खड़े हुए. We still are waiting for what clarity they have given us.
So right now, Pratibha, an announcement is happening. It states that the entry for the second shift students are continuous. That is all. There is no other word that has come in.
हमसे जैसे just proper schedule दिया जाता है कि 8:30 बजे आपकी रिपोर्ट करना है. आपको गेट बंद हो जाएगा 8:30 बजे. हम उससे पहले 7 बजे की वैसे रिपोर्टिंग टाइम था, तो हम यहाँ पे आके खड़े हुए हैं. अंदर गए हैं, अंदर बैठे हैं और
सब आपका बायोमेट्रिक्स हुआ, अटेंडेंस मार्क
हो गया था, हमारा सिग्नेचर्स वगैरह, ऑल सिस्टम वगैरह की सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन सब हमारे आगे खुल गई थी. जस्ट वी हैव टू साइन इन एंड स्टार्ट द पेपर. वो पेपर
स्टार्ट कहा गया लीव करने के लिए?
नहीं मैम, वो हमने जब पूछा उनसे कि हमारा पेपर स्टार्ट क्यों नहीं हो, दे वर टेलिंग कि 10 मिनट्स वेट, 10 मिनट्स, पीछे से कोई सिग्नल्स नहीं आ रहे, पीछे से हमारी बात नहीं हो पा रही है, हम कॉन्फ्रेंस नहीं कर पा रहे पीछे से. सो वी आर ऑल राइट, ठीक है, हमें बस एक्स्ट्रा टाइम मिल जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, हमें आप पेपर कंडक्ट करवा दीजिए. उन्होंने उस 9 बजे के जब 9 बजे उन्होंने सिग्नेचर करवाया हमसे, उसको स्ट्रेच किया 11:30 तक. 11:30. अब उसके बाद टाइम तो निकल चुका था, हमारा जो 9 से 12 का पेपर था वो टाइम निकल चुका था.